Roblox is so fun, but you know what is just as fun as playing Roblox? Well, playing Roblox with your voice, aka voice chat. This was a feature that was introduced I think it was a year ago, and everyone absolutely loved it. And let me show you how to get it right now. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to roblox.com. Then once you're here, you basically just want to verify two things. So go into settings, just regular settings, no BTR settings or anything like that. Then you want to verify your phone number and your email address. So what you want to do is you want to put it in. I cannot do it right now, unfortunately, only because I've done it on multiple accounts, so I cannot do it. But you want to type in your phone number, and then you'll be texted a code. Then you put in the code, and then you do the same thing for your email. So once you do that, then you want to go into security. Then you want to add email secure. So turn this on, and if I turn it off real quickly, let me just guide you to how to turn it on. So you just turn it on like this, then it sends you a code to your email. So go back and then copy and paste the code. Update it right there. There we go. And now we have the two-step verification authenticated. So there we go. We've got that down. Then what you want to go to next is, this was the issue I had for me when I was first trying to do it. When I'd go to, because usually you just go to privacy and go to communication, and then you should see voice chat. But what my issue was is I couldn't see voice chat. So what I'd do if I were you is go into please donate. Then once you're here, this is what you want to do. You want to click this right here, get voice chat. So it says talk with others and have more fun. You're in control, mute yourself at any time. So basically it just have you verify your phone number. So yeah, and then once you verify your phone number, you can turn it on. So I have it on right now, and yeah guys, it's very simple. It's very simple. And then you can just go here and you can join a random VC, but it says you must have voice chat enabled to join. So you just have to quickly reload your game. So exit out, rejoin, and then you can start playing Roblox with your voice. So let me show you real quickly. If I turn it on, there we go, I can join a random VC now. Look at this, easy, chilling like a villain, guys. It is not hard. Before, I literally verified my age. You don't have to do that. You do not have to verify your age. Last time I verified an age on an account, it did not work at all. But for some reason, it wasn't showing voice chat. So you have to go to a game with voice chat, and then you want to click that little button. See there, you can start playing games with voice chat. So that is it for the video, guys. It was a very quick one, very simple and easy. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. I'll try to help you guys out. Anyways, peace out, baby.